Welcome to Artebula's Little Makers. Today we're going to be making these awesome face masks. You can make whatever animal you want, but I'm making a dog. Today you're going to need some felt. You can have a hole puncher, scissors, cut things, markers, string maybe, and maybe popsicle sticks if you need them. I'm using a hot glue gun, but you guys can use normal glue too. And one of the most important things, the paper plates. Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna be making a dog, but you can make any animal you want. So I'm gonna start by drawing the nose and cutting out my eyes, but let's start by drawing first. So I'm gonna do my nose. I like to do a little upside down heart. Then going to take my brown and I'm gonna color it in for the nose. So now I'm gonna make the mouth. I'm gonna go down and make like a J and like opposite J. Okay, then you're gonna want to make the tongue for the dog. And I'm gonna color my tongue pink. You guys can do it red if you want. It doesn't really matter what color you do it, but I like to use pink. Okay, now I'm gonna make three little dots that represent whiskers, but I don't really do whiskers on my dogs. Go. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is like the mouth and the lower part of the face. Now I'm gonna do the eyes. I'm going to put like little mark because you want to make sure your eyes can actually go in it. I think one of my eyes are gonna be going there and one are gonna be there. If you're not sure where your eyes are gonna be, when you're cutting it out, you can ask a parent to, you can hold it on your face and then a parent can draw 2 little dots where your eyes are. So now I have my face, my main part of the face. I am going to add a little dot around one of my eyes to add more color and not just white. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm going to make my ears with white felt. I'm gonna fold it in half, so then my ears are gonna be the same size, the same shape, and then I'm gonna cut it out with some scissors. And you can also ask your parents for help for this. So you wanna first think about the shape that you want your ears to be, or whatever you're gonna use this for, and then you can start cutting. Okay, so right now mine just looks like a mustache. Now I'm gonna cut it, so then I have 2 different ears for both sides. Okay, so this is when I'm gonna use a hot glue gun. You'll also might need a parent depending on the age that you are. And if you don't have it, you can always use white glue. I'm using a hot glue gun now. So I'm gonna do the tip. And then I'm gonna put it down right, I think about right here. Yeah. And careful, because it might go through. Then you want to make sure, like, you're gonna put the hot glue gun on this side, because or else, if you had put it on here, it wouldn't really look good that way. So I'm gonna put my hot glue on here, and then put it down here. So here's my dog. You can't really see the ears right now, so what I like to do is trace around with a marker. And now you're gonna want to do the string so you can keep it on your face. I'm gonna use a hole puncher. If you don't have a hole puncher, you can always use scissors to make a hole, which you'll also might need a parent for. Okay, I'm gonna put one hole here. Then you want to try and make it like almost on the same side. So I go like this, and there. I'm going to hole punch, move my ear, and there. And yeah, so then after you should have like a string like this, or it doesn't really matter what color it is, and then you can wear it.
If you like this tutorial and you want to see more, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're getting piles of artwork because of all this awesomeness, then you've got an app for that. It's called Artebula, and you can find it for free on the App Store and Google Play Store.